Welcome to the channel, guys. Back. This is Author on Travel, your Shiv Goyal. This video is about a quick beauty tip, which we usually face the issue in the winters, and especially it is for the winter season. And as you know, that the most of part of the world is experiencing and having the winter solstice, and it's already started. So this is basically for that, and this is a quick beauty tip for dry skin. If you are prone to dry skin, so in winters, due to the weather, the skin gets dry and more prone to dryness, and it can lead to patchiness and chapping of the lips, and also not only the neck and the skin of the face, for the nails, cuticle as well. So this is a small video about that. Okay, so what you see on the screen right now, what I'm doing is actually I've kept a little water to boil. Okay, then you see I have taken hibiscus from my garden. So if you don't have your home garden for hibiscus, you can try and get 4 or 3 flowers, hibiscus flowers, any color. If it is pink or red, it's preferred because it will gonna give a good soothing effect on your skin. What you need to do, you need to put the water to the boil, and you see what I'm doing right now. I'm actually taking out the leaf petals one by one, and I will be putting them into the boiling water. So wait for the water to boil, wait for a while, and the moment it gets boiled, you need to put these petals into the water. Now if you see here what is being done, the water is being boiled, and all the petals one by one, 4 flowers I have taken from my garden, and I've put all those petals into the water. Now I'm just stirring them up, and keep stirring slowly, one by one, keep stirring them, and wait for a while. Okay. So hibiscus has this quality to rejuvenate your skin. It smoothens your skin, and the hibiscus flower has multiple benefits for the skin, for the hair. There's a hair oil also. So what we are making is kind of a water. It's kind of a face mist, which we usually use. So the women can use it over the makeup also to settle your makeup, like you use the face mist. Also before the makeup you can use, and you can use it every time and number of days in the entire day, and you can apply on the neck and the face. Hibiscus has this quality. So now what you see is like we're simmering down. So we are still stirring it up, and we're gonna wait for at least 10 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes until the flowers and all the fragrance, all the substance of the flower and the color and the leaves and everything is being extracted into the water. We're gonna wait until then, and we're gonna keep on stirring it on the water, like on the boiler. So that's how you need to do it. Keep stirring it. Now you see that it has come to boil, and the color of the leaves are changing, the petals and everything what we have put in the water, so it's being extracted to the water, and we have this little rosy and goldenish and reddish color because the hibiscus flower was pink. So that's how you make it. And so how you're gonna assess that it's done? It's this way. See the water, check the water, it's on the boil and everything is being extracted from the leaves. Now it's gonna become a little sticky, but then you need to wait the water to become half. So that's how you're gonna check that it's done. Then see, it's still on the boil. Then you're gonna add rose water. So this is the rose water. So any rose water, gulab gel. I have Dabur's gulab gel here. So you can use the gulab gel. So what you can do is like for 1 cup, use at least 6 to 7 spoons of rose water. That's it. Maximum 8. And then just simmer it up, sieve, and then keep it to cool in some bowl or something. Don't put under the AC or direct AC or under the fan. Just let it cool naturally at the room temperature. All right, let it settle down, and then you can pour it in a spray bottle, or you can like if you have some bowl or something, you can use it in there. It's your choice, you can use it according to you. So yeah, you're ready. So see, now beautiful rosy pinkish color of the water we have got, and it's a natural homemade face mist with hibiscus flower, which is all natural. It will definitely do wonders to your skin. You'll have a rosy effect also a little bit, guys, if you use the red hibiscus. It's beautiful, tried and tested. I have made it, I'm using it, and that's why I'm making it. Otherwise I won't let you people to do it or make it or use it. So just use it. So I've put on the cool, so that's why it's little blackish. Now it is see, because of the camera, and you're done.